ICP Smart Services? What are the fees? Hello everyone, welcome to Kindredsoul. The ICP Smart Services allow the user to apply for visas, residence permits, Emirates ID and other necessary documents. The ICP Smart Services are a bouquet of services offered by the Federal Authority of Identity, Citizenship, Customs and Ports Security. The ICP Smart Services websites provides all kinds of services related to the tourist visa, residence visa, golden visa, Emirates ID, renewal of your passport, issuing entry permit and exit permit, etc. So, what is the ICP? The ICP was established in 2004 under the name Emirates Identity Authority to establish the Population Registered and Emirates Identity Card Program, which included recording personal and vital data for the population in the country to keeping them in electronic database and issuing the Emirates ID card for each individual. In 2017, the department's name was changed to Federal Authority for Identity and Citizenship, and new functions were assigned to it, such as citizenship affairs, passport, entry and residence of the foreigners in the state, among others. For ease of access, the ICP website has divided its services into multiple categories: individuals, organizations, golden residency, priority services applying for exemption of the fines, services for people of determination and senior residents. So, in this article, we will discuss about the services and fees. So, first of all, we will discuss renewal of passport of UAE citizens abroad. This service helps renew expired passport while citizens are outside the country for reasons of treatment or study. After the passport is printed, is it delivered to the UAE embassy in the respective country. The fees, the services cost a total cost of AED 65 including AED 10 in request fee, AED 40 for issuance and AED 15 for delivery. Apply for a new ID card. This service is used when an identity card is issued first time to an individual who has not registered or had no identity number issued. The fees for this card issuance fee is 100 dirham, a service fee of 150 dirham and 30 dirham fee for the typing center. A fee of 150 dirham is applicable when requesting for urgent services at the customer happiness center. And the next one is if you want to renew ID card. This service helps renew an ID card that has expired or is it about to expire. Fees for this 100 dirham for card issuance, 40 dirham for the service fee and 30 dirham for the typing center fees. If you want urgent services, pay an additional 150 dirham. So this is a very important point. Issue entry permit. This service helps issue entry permit to the country for specific periods either for tourism, visit, work or residence. Mandatory that the permit holder enter the country within 60 days from the issuance of the permit, otherwise the permit is cancelled. Multi-tourist visa for a period of 5 years. This service grants a multi-entry 5-year tourist visa. This allows the visa holder to stay in the country for a period of 90 days. The visa can be extended once for a similar period. That means the visa holder can only stay in the country for a total of 180 days continuous. This service includes an application fee of 100 dirham, issuance of for 500 dirham and electronic service fee of 150 dirham, financial guarantees 3000 dirham. Entry permit for visiting a relative or friend includes an application of 100 dirham, issuance fees is 100 dirham per month, application fee for 100 dirham, issuance first of 100 dirham per month for the one trip and AED 200 per month for the several trips. Electronic service fee of 150 dirham, financial guarantee is 1000 dirham for one trip and 2000 dirham for the several trips. Entry permit is divided into several categories. Entry permit for a visit visa for the purpose of tourism. This includes an application fee of 100 dirham, issuance fee of 100 dirham per month in case of one trip, issuance fee of 200 dirham per month in case of several trips. Electronic services fee is 150 dirham. Financial guarantee for one trip is 1000 dirham. Entry permit for the business related work comes with an application of 100 dirham issuance fee, 100 dirham per month for one trip, 200 dirham per month for the several trips. Electronic services fee of 150 dirham. Financial guarantee 1000 dirham for one trip and 2000 dirham for the several trips. So this is our main point. If exploring job opportunities, the permit includes an application fee of 100 dirham. Issuance fee is 100 dirham per month for one trip and 200 dirham per month for the several trips. Electronic services fee of 150 dirham. Financial guarantee is 1000 dirham for one trip and 2000 dirham for the several trips. For exploring business opportunities, the permit comes with an application fee of 100 dirham. Issuance is 100 dirham fees per month for the single trip and 200 dirham per month for the several trips. Electronic fees is 150 dirham. Financial guarantee is 1000 dirham and for one trip and 2000 dirham for the several trips. For the purpose of treatment, this includes an application fee of as you know 100 dirham. Issuance fee is 100 dirham per month for one trip and 200 dirham per month for the several trips. Electronic fees is 150 dirham. This is same. Financial guarantee is 1000 dirham for the single trip and 2000 dirham for the several trips. If you amend the entry permit, this service helps make a request to amend an entry permit to the country. This service has an application fee of 50 dirham and electronic service charges is 10 dirham. If you want to extend the entry permit, this service helps make a request to extend an entry permit to the country. The extension period depends on the type of entry permit issued in the terms of duration. Entry permits for tourism allow an extension for 30 days twice. Entry permit for the residents of GCC countries allow an extension once for 30 days. This service has a request fee of 100 dirham, issuance fee of 500 dirham and e-services fee is 10 dirham in case of entry permit for tourism. In case of extending entry permit for the residents of GCC countries, the request fee is 200 dirham, issuance fee is 500 dirham and e-services fee is 10 dirham. If you want to cancel the entry permit, the services helps make a request to cancel the entry permit or visa before the individual enters the country. The fee is 50 dirham as request fee and the 10 dirham as electronic services fee. For the exit permit, service help make a request to issue an exit fee. This service includes a request fee of 200 dirham and an electronic fee of 150 dirham. If you want to cancel the exit permit, this service makes a request to cancel an exit permit. The fees for this, the service includes a request fee of 200 dirham and an electronic fee of 150 dirham. If you want to amend the residency permit, this service helps modify the data of residence permits. The fees includes an order of fee of 50 dirham and an e-services charges is 10 dirham. If you want to cancel the residency permit, this service helps cancel residency permits. This service includes an order fee of 50 dirham, e-services fee is 10 dirham. If you want to issue a passport, this service helps issue a new passport. Fee is for the request fee is 10 dirham, issue fee is 40 dirham and delivery fee is 15 dirham. For renew the passport, this service that helps renew a passport that has expired or it is about to expire. Fee for a request is 10 dirham, issue fee is 40 dirham and delivery fee is 15 dirham. Issue a residency visa. This service helps issue residence visa under several categories such as newborn, support workers, applications submitted through the Tadbir offices only, resident family members. The fees for this in case of newborns, the application fee is 100 dirham, issuance fee is 100 dirham for each year and each annual service for is 150 dirham. For support workers, the application fee is 100 dirham, issuance fee is 100 dirham for the each year and the e-service charges is 150 dirham when sponsored by a national of GCC citizen. When support workers sponsored by a residents, the application fee is 100 dirham, issuance fee is 100 dirham for each year, the e-services charges is 150 dirham Domestic help recruitment charges is 5,000 dirham and issuance is 2,000 dirham. In case of residence visa or resident family members sponsored by the residents working in the private sector, public sector or the free zone, the application fee is 100 dirham, issuance fee is 100 dirham for each year and the e-service charges is 100 dirham. In case of residence visa for the resident family members sponsored by the UAE national or the GCC citizen or partner or investors, the application fee is 100 dirham, issuance fee is 100 dirham for the year and the e-service charges is 150 dirham. If you want to renew your residency visa, the service helps renew residency visas. When remaining residence permits of supporters done via Tadbir offices only, the application fee is 100 dirham, issuance fee is 100 dirham for each year and the e-service charges is 150 dirham. If the sponsor in the UAE national or the UAE GCC citizen, in case of sponsor is a resident, in the fee includes application fee of 100 dirham, issuance fee is 100 dirham for each year and the e-services charges is 150 dirham. Domestic help recruitment charges is 5,000 dirham and the insurance of 2,000 dirham. In case of residence visa of the resident family members sponsored by the residents working in the private sector, public sector or free zone, UAE nationals or GCC citizen or partner or investor, the application fee is 100 dirham, issuance fee is 100 dirham for each year and the e-services charges is 150 dirham. So this is a video, this is a very long video, but we have described you the whole process and the charges for the UAE Smart Services ICP. You have to know all the things. As you know, Kindredsoul provides all kind of PRO services. You can contact us at our dedicated number for the services and the questions, and if you want any kind of information. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for the more information and updates. Thank you.